Hello guys, welcome to this video. In my previous video, I have benchmarked the Radeon RX 570 graphics card. But have you noticed that those benchmarks were a bit higher than a typical RX 570? Hence in this video, I am gonna show you how to overclock a Radeon RX 570 graphic card. Well, I have the Gigabyte variant with me, so without any further delay, let's jump right into it. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you two methods to overclock your RX 570. The first method I am going to show you with the stock Radeon Adrenalin software, and the second method is going to be the MSI Afterburner. So for this overclock you need to have some programs present in your computer, like for stress test the GPU we need ForMark. You should have the AMD's latest Adrenalin software. You should have the MSI Afterburner, and that's pretty much it. So let's begin with the overclock. So let us open the the Adrenalin software. Here go to the performance section, and in tuning we'll find it is by default set to automatic and default. You have to change it to manual. Now here you can see GPU tuning and fan tuning, power tuning, and VRAM tuning. We will tune the GPU and VRAM and the power. So let's turn this on. Turn on advanced control, and by default this Gigabyte variant is set to 1244 MHz, and here you can see voltage of 1150 millivolt, and in the VRAM we have 1750 MHz. Now for a stable overclock, I will show you the best and stable overclock for this graphic card. So in my research I have found that 1400 MHz is the best and stable overclock you can achieve in this graphics card. Now, and we will set the VRAM to 2050 MHz and set power tuning to all the way to max, 50. And to keep the GPU cool, we need to tune the fan. Let's set it to 100. Now while gaming you are not focusing on the noise that the graphics card will produce now. So let's set it to 100. Now apply changes. Now as you can see I have not changed the voltage yet. Now we will now stress test the GPU if it is stable or not. Now let's open ForMark. Click on GPU stress test. As you can see this is pretty stable, no frame drops we are observing, but as you can see the GPU temp is going around 70-72. Now we don't want our GPU to be overheated, so now we will try to decrease the voltage. Now as you can see it is at 76 FPS. This is pretty much good for an RX 570. As you can see my GPU fan is at 100%. It is, as you can see, fan 119%. Now let's close this. Now we will try to decrease the voltage slowly. Now this is 1150. Now let's set it to 1100 now and apply changes. Let's again stress the GPU. As you can see, GPU usage is full 100%, fan 190%, and it is running pretty stable. Now I'm going to show you the best settings for the GPU. Now we should set it to 1030 millivolt. Now let me tell you why I have done that. Now I have tried various settings and I found this is the most stable settings I have found till now. The reason I set it to 1030 because your GPU don't need that much voltage. Now if your power limit is set to 50, you don't need that much voltage to run the GPU at this frequency. Now if you are giving less voltage to your GPU, then your GPU is going to heat or also heat less, will produce less heat also. So we don't want our GPU to be heated very much, so we will not give more than this voltage. It will lead to performance loss, so that's the only reason we have set it to 1030 voltage. Now let's do stress test again. As you can see, this is pretty stable. Frame rate is around 80, average is also 80, minimum is 79, and you can see GPU temps is around 70 degrees, 71. That's pretty much it, man. Now I'm going to show you the second method, how to overclock your GPU using the MSI Afterburner. Let's begin with the MSI Afterburner. Now just open the software. Now as you can see here, we have power limit, core clock, memory clock, and fan speed. Raise the power limit all the way to 50. Core clock will be set it to around 1400, let's say 1403, and the memory clock is going to be 2050. And let us adjust the fan speed all the way to 100 and done. Now let us run the Formark benchmark and test the GPU. As you can see, GPU is running at 1403 megahertz and memory clock is at 2050, and average is 79, 80, 1403, and this is pretty stable. Now I'm going to show you a GTA 5 benchmark. I will compare side by side a stock RX 570 with this overclocked RX 570. So benchmarks is in your screen right now.
Come on, let old Tanya treat you real nice. I ain't got no diseases. I ain't got nothing wrong with me. Clean, let old Tanya.